What if I told you that someone is making over $1,000 a month on YouTube by posting nothing but simple animations with an AI voice on top? No camera, no editing skills, no fancy equipment, just a simple idea, repeated over and over again. And the crazy part is that you can build the exact same thing today, completely for free, in less than an hour. I am going to show you the exact step-by-step system I use to analyze that channel, steal the strategy behind it, and use a free AI tool to automatically generate new videos in the same style. By the end of this video, you will be able to do this yourself, even if you have never made a single YouTube video in your life. So stay with me, because this is going to change how you think about YouTube forever. Let me start by showing you something that most people never realize about YouTube. Success on this platform has almost nothing to do with how good your video looks. It has everything to do with the idea and structure behind the video. Take a look at this channel called Simplified Psychology. With only 65 videos, it has gained 255,000 subscribers and 19 million views. Interestingly, this channel did not start 10 years ago, but just last year on November 19. It's just months old. According to vidIQ, it earns roughly $8.3K per month. The videos are not pretty. They are not professionally edited, but simple animations with an AI voice.
Almost empty room, bare walls, a few plants, a single couch, and feels something loosen in their chest, like they can finally exhale. And then there's everyone else, standing in that same room, feeling vaguely unsettled, maybe even sad. What separates these two people?
But they are getting millions of views because the content idea is strong, and the structure keeps people watching until the end. Once you understand this, everything changes. You stop trying to make perfect videos, and you start focusing on finding the right patterns that already work. And this is where the AI tool we are about to use becomes incredibly powerful. The tool is called NotebookLM from Google. Open a new tab and search for it. This is the exact one. Go ahead and open it. It is completely free to use, and you do not need any technical skills to get started. What this tool does is analyze YouTube videos and break down exactly why they work. It studies the topics, the way the script is written, how the video is structured from beginning to end, and even what kind of titles and hooks grab attention. Instead of spending weeks trying to figure out what works through trial and error, this tool does all of that research for you in a matter of seconds. So here is exactly how you set this up from scratch. The first thing you need to do is sign up. Click on Try NotebookLM and then log in with your Google account. When you log in, create a new notebook. By now you should have something like this on your screen to make sure we are on the same page. Then choose this option to add sources as YouTube video links. After that, go back to YouTube and find a channel in a niche that interests you to analyze. For my case, I will use this one. You want to collect around 8 to 50 video links from that channel. These links are the data you are going to feed into the AI. Click on these 3 dots, click on Share, and copy it. Then paste it here. Go back and repeat the same process. Now doing this one by one would take forever, so we are going to automate the task by using a free Chrome extension called Grabit to speed things up. In a new tab, search for it. This is the right one from the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add it to Chrome and proceed until the installation is finished. Once it is installed, you will see a small icon appear at the top right of your browser. Click on the extensions icon and pin Grabit on your browser and open to access the settings. Click on this button to add a new action. This step is very crucial and make sure to pay much attention because once you mess up here, the automation won't work. For the mouse button, select right-click option. For the modifier key, we are going to choose Control. The options may differ in layout depending on the device you are using. Choose a color of your choice. Since blue is my favorite, I will go ahead and choose that. Now scroll down and choose what happens when the buttons are pressed, and this is the most important part. Make sure to select Copy URL to Clipboard. You can as well go to advanced options, but I want to keep this as simple as possible for you. Just go ahead and save the action. As you can see, a new action has been added. Now go back to the YouTube channel page, make sure you are on their videos section. Press Control and the right mouse button at the same time, and drag to select the videos as many as you want. It will instantly copy all the video links on that page for you. As you select, you should see videos being highlighted with your selected color, and I will copy up 16 videos. This saves you a huge amount of time. Now paste all those video links you copied from the channel by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. NotebookLM will go through each video and pull out the important information. This usually takes just a minute or two, depending on how many links you added. Once it finishes processing, go to the chat section inside the notebook. This is where you talk to the AI. I have left all these prompts in the description below to make the process easier for you. Type in something like this. Analyze the topics, hooks, content structure, and tone of these videos, and tell me what makes this channel successful. Hit enter and watch what happens. The AI will give you a detailed breakdown of exactly what that channel is doing right. It will tell you what kind of topics perform best, how they write their opening lines to keep people watching, what storytelling style they use, and what patterns show up again and again across their videos. This is like having a professional YouTube strategist hand you a full report for free. Now that you understand what makes that channel work, you can start building your own version of it. Ask the AI to suggest at least 8 channel name ideas based on the niche it just analyzed. You will get several options that already match the style and feel of the content. Pick the one that resonates with you the most. For example, I will pick this one, the adaptive mind, which aligns perfectly to the channel's goal of explaining how the brain adapts quietly with the past environments. Next, ask the AI to generate about 8 video topic ideas based on the patterns it found. For each topic, you get the hook, science, and the reframe. These are not random ideas that you came up with from your imagination. These are ideas modeled after content that is already proven to get views. This is a massive advantage, especially when you are just starting out and you have no idea what to post. Now it's the time to turn these concepts into fully edited videos ready to publish. Take one of those video ideas, such as this first one, the psychology of people who apologize for everything, and open a brand new notebook in NotebookLM. Select this option, copied text, and paste the video idea as your starting point, and click on Start so that it starts processing your video. Inside the same notebook, look for the studio features on the right. From here, you can convert your video concept into an audio overview, video overview, reports, a quiz, data table, infographics, flashcards, mind maps, or cool slides. But the feature we are interested in is this one, video overview. Leave the format as an explainer, and you can generate the video in any language. Next, choose the visual style by browsing these available options. I will choose Heritage as the visual style and generate. This will automatically build a full video script around your idea. It structures the entire thing from the opening hook to the ending, organizes the story in a way that flows naturally, and even suggests visual elements. As it's generating the video, go back and copy the second video idea. Then click here to open NotebookLM in a new tab and create a new notebook again by repeating the same steps, and go ahead to generate another video. In this way, you can generate more than one video on autopilot, saving you many hours and growing your channel with less effort. The first video is ready, and you now have a complete video ready to use without writing a single word yourself. You can then download it to your computer. Let's watch it.
Let's talk about something we have all done. That reflexive, almost involuntary sorry that just slips out when we don't really need it to. It's this tiny verbal habit that is so common, but have you ever actually stopped to wonder where it comes from? Well, today, we're going to unpack the really surprising psychology behind why so many of us feel the need to apologize for, well, everything. I mean, picture this, right? You're in a meeting. Maybe you're just talking to a friend. You need to ask a question.
Here is the second video.
Hello, and welcome. You ever find yourself just stuck? I mean, totally frozen, trying to make what should be a simple decision, like which brand of pasta to buy, what movie to watch, what to wear. It is so frustrating. Well, today, let's get into it. We're going to explore the surprising science behind why our brains sometimes just get stuck in neutral.
This phrase just nails that feeling, doesn't it? Your mind isn't just chilling out. It is buzzing with activity. It's running all these little simulations for every single possible outcome, even for the tiniest choices. It's like having a supercomputer in your head that's totally dedicated to figuring out which jam to buy.
And that really is the big question, right? Why do these simple, low-stakes decisions feel so incredibly hard?
The quality of these videos is genuinely impressive. They are structured properly, the narration sounds natural when read out loud, and they are designed for the kind of simple animation-style videos that work really well on YouTube. Once your videos are ready, the next thing you need is a strong title. Go back to the chat and ask the AI to generate 5 to 8 click-worthy title ideas for your video. Look for the title that creates the most curiosity or promises the biggest result. That is usually the one that will get the most clicks. For your thumbnail, you want to study the channel you analyzed and notice what their thumbnails have in common. Most successful channels use a very simple and consistent thumbnail style. The channel in our example uses a plain background, bold text with background which alternates between yellow and black, and a simple figure character. That is it. You can create this exact style using Canva, which is also free. Go to Canva and click on Customize. Select this, 1920 by 1080, which is the standard measurement for YouTube thumbnails. Start by adding text according to your video topic, such as people who apologize for everything. Then click here on Effects and choose Background. Customize the color according to your style. You can use a simple background color, or go to Elements and search for a simple background image. Go to the Graphics section and pick one, then add it as the background for your design. Go back to Elements and search for a character such as a boy kneeling. Add it and adjust it correctly. You can as well add other elements to ensure your thumbnail looks professional. Keep it clean and simple. The best thumbnails are usually the simplest ones. Then, click on Share and download your thumbnail. And just like that, you have a complete video ready to publish. A script created by AI, a title tested against proven patterns, and a thumbnail designed in the same style as a channel already getting millions of views. Now imagine doing this not just once, but every single day. You analyze a channel, generate 10 ideas, turn each idea into a full script, and batch produce multiple videos in a single afternoon. Even on the free plan, you can create several videos every day. If you stay consistent with this system, you can realistically produce a full month of content in just a few hours. This is exactly how faceless automation channels grow so fast. They are not working harder than everyone else. They are working smarter by studying what already works and using AI to do the heavy lifting. If you found this useful, leave a comment below and tell me what niche you would start with if you tried this today. And make sure you subscribe because I am constantly testing new AI tools and YouTube strategies, and I share only the ones that actually work. The creators who start using systems like this right now are going to have a massive head start. Do not let that be someone else. Start today.